I'll open the doors for increased. What's it called? Oh my god! What the fuck happened? Our boat is seceded. One of our boats seceded.
We're going.
We're going up and down.
Oh,
Turn. Oh
Here we go.
You're hitting all the. Our boat fucking took off without us.
I can't even get out of my chair.
It doesn't matter.
Guys, if you have a motor,
Dude, we got increased aerodynamics. I opened up all the doors. Oh shit!
Oh, here we go.
Oh!
My motor got buried.
Keep going. My propeller's still going. Oh my god, this is a fucking nightmare.
Cheesy, you're inside of a door right now.
The doors will protect me.
Dude, I'm literally on the edge right now. I'm gonna fall off sooner or later.
What's burning? Something's burning.
Oh shit!
We're going.
There's a propulsion engine.
All right,
Once we get to like the right angle here, all right. Once we get to like center, I'll hit the engine and we'll just go flying, right?
All right,
Here. Go.
Go, go.
Oh, we got balloons!
Oh no, we're gonna run on the path! We're flying! Go right to the right, go! Oh shit! Oh fuck!
Can we get out of here or?
Fuck
What is this?
I'm out of here, bro.
No.
I got it.
Don't leave me.
Turn it around. Press S.
Stay alive.
Dude, this is like the cutscene in Fallout 4.
Oh my god,
The
under
balloon's
it.
off. The balloon's off.
This is like the scene in Fallout 4 where the fucking ship takes off and then you get stuck in a skyscraper.
Sayonara.
Sayonara, nigga. Guys, this isn't funny. Guys,
Cheesy, get back on.
Get on.
Get back on, Cheesy. Get on.
I gotta get to my seat. Go.
Alright,
Go.
if you put balloons on, hit the balloons.
I don't have any.
How do you hit
I
the
don't think
balloons?
anyone had them though.
I don't even have a balloon on.
We're actually going up. Oh no.
Wait.
Hold on. And make sure you're seated, alright?
Oh my god, that was so close.
All right, we need to maneuver our way out of here. All right.
I don't think there's any maneuvering in this. I'm gonna be real here. Oh!
I put a balloon somewhere around here, but I don't know where it is.
Start looking.
I put engine around here somewhere, but I think it got buried.
Alright, go backward.
Move. Oh.
No, not forward.
No.
Yeah.
Oh god.
We are the main engineers.
Progress.
Let's go.
Mace gaming.
Okay.
What do we
It's
call
better
this
than nothing.
ship? I like to call this ship the SS fuck shit.
USS nigga.
The
Oh,
SS.
wait! Are we going to the tree? Wait, what?
Oh.
Go above!
We're going above the mountain.
Oh god!
We're going up top. We're going.
Go through. Oh, we're seeping through.
Oh!
Hold on. Cut it.
We're above the tree.
Cut it now.
We're backward. I have no steering control.
Turn.
Turn.
Why
do you?
Our propulsion is going backwards. Help.
Oh,
No.
We're
Not
going
again.
back.
Do it again, please.
Oh, not again. Okay.
Shit.
Check the propulsion engine. Turn that shit off.
Turn it off.
Scoot, we're in FNAF.
We're on fire.
What the fuck?
Where is he?
Where is he?
Freddy.
I want to
Look how
fuck
big our-
Freddy.
They're shooting me. I've
Take
been
cover.
hit. Oh no!
My seat!
Man down!
No.
The throne will continue to
The mace chip is getting shot at. Hell!
It's okay, we're
Get the
good
copper.
we're good now.
We're good.
Oh shit!
We're good.
Oh no! No, the purple
We are better than them.
We're getting hit.
I'm dead. I died.
Oh god.
Scoots down! Scoots down!
Keep going.
I'm climbing up
Need
to
to
the
keep
watchtower.
Oh my god, we're like making them ball smaller, dude.
Oh!
Alright,
Oh my
You know-
god.
now strike
Guys,
them.
I'm
Okay.
scared.
Oh, we barely got
Really
any
hard.
pins, dude.
Hardy.
There's a nigger on the bow.
There's a nigger in it.
Oh wait, no, I have a better idea. Hold on. I'm gonna try to catch up with you guys with another boat.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
Dog, do you use Zoo as a substitute for nigger? Oh my god.
It's alright, guys. Our boats, you know,
Our
Do it
boat's
fine.
actually doing pretty well.
you just gotta tank everything. You know,
Look how
that's
big
the
we are,
alarming
dude.
part.
We can just tank everything.
We lost Scoot though. That's a detrimental loss.
Yo, we entered Mace RP,
Oh.
guys.
Oh guys,
Roll
Mason's
flat,
brain.
roll flat.
This is the
Roll
mind
for
of
Mason
Mason.
insanity.
Rolls a 2.
Oh shit, wait, what? Oh fuck, I wasn't
Oh,
looking.
T-Doggo! T-Doggo, get out of there! T-Doggo!
We're losing a foot to the front. Oh my god. You find a seat.
Guys, I'm going down!
Oh no.
I'm ragdolling.
Oh no.
No. Oh wait. Oh my god, I have 73 bedrock. Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
Guys, we're not looking too good.
That's a good
No,
point.
we're great.
We only have 2 more, and then we get the boss. Oh shit. Wait, yeah, that piece of...
Oh shit!
Oh shit.
That
The Japanese! Tenoeka Banzai! Oh shit, that's a sniper shot.
Oh shit.
They blasted
Oh
us.
my
We're driving through Chirac. Fuck.
We're driving through Iraq. Dude, look at my throne. It's still here.
medieval Iraq.
That's alright, fine.
Oh,
fine.
oh no,
We're
oh
almost the
no,
last
doggo!
one. Oh shit.
We're being held
Oh my
together
God, we
by
lost a
duct
chunk.
tape, hopes, and dreams right now.
Oh no.
Okay, we're
Adam,
good,
get
we're
on the
good,
boat.
we're good.
Get on the boat, Adam. We're gonna go in a few. We're gonna catch up with them. We're gonna catch up with them.
I'm gonna open a crate. What am I getting?
It's fine. We're good. We're good. We're fine.
We're dead. We all died.
I'm fine. I'm
Did
fine.
everyone die?
No, I'm
Oh my
fine.
god.
Yeah, we're all dead.
Not me.
What happened?
Hey.